राज्य सरकार 3 जून ते 5 जूना मजगती गोवा पर्यावरण फिल्म महोत्सव घडोवन हाडपाचे आसा। राजधानी शारांत जावपी G-20 शिखर सभेच्या वेळार हो महोत्सव जातलो। या वेळार महोत्सवात पर्यावरणाचेर जावपी परिणाम आनी संवर्धन हाचेर भर दितले। संवसारभरातले देश या महोत्सवात वांटो घेतले।
This is in coincidence when we will start on the 3rd and end on the 5th on the World Environmental Day. And it coincides with also the G-20 meeting which is scheduled in and around Panjim on that day. To give further details, I will request Sanjit Bab, Secretary Sanjit Bab, to give more details, and I will then brief more about the entire event and kashe pude hoitले.
The Goa Environmental Film Festival, the first edition, has been planned on the sidelines of the G-20 meetings which are happening in the state. We have around 9 G-20 meetings, and based on the need for a connect with the local population, the citizenry of Goa, and what is happening around the world, a decision was taken to invite films from G-20 countries so that the environmentally conscious population in Goa can get a linkage to what's happening across the world in the realm of environment. Invites were sought and entries were sought from various G-20 countries. And we are happy to say that we have received a very good response, and embassies from these countries have worked hard to project and send us a good number of films. We have received films from Bulgaria, Canada, Croatia, Finland, Ireland, Oman, Portugal, Russia, and Spain. So a number of films have been received from these countries. We have also received requests from other countries, and films are being entered as we speak. We have around 50 odd films in the film festival, the schedule of which will be released tomorrow. We encourage people, especially students of environment and all environment conscious people, to particularly register for the film festival. Entry will be through registration only, and the themes of films include environment, sustainable living, because the entire G-20 meetings in Goa are based and are organized on the theme of sustainability. Then the themes of community life, biodiversity, solutions to public plastic pollution, waste management, water conservation are various thematic films which will be screened at this festival. The festival will be open to all, and public are free to register at www.goaeff.in. So this is the website of the film festival. We encourage everyone to register, and the entire screening will be done in the Martinez Palace at this venue in Audi 1 and Audi 2 across 3 days from the 3rd, 4th and 5th. It will culminate on the World Environment Day. The film festival also has a Goa Connect, and being the Honorable Environment Minister of Goa, he has been keen to project this Goa Connect with the film festival. He has also expressed the desire to make it an annual event. To talk more about the Goa Connect, I would now request Honorable Minister for Environment, Government of Goa, to kindly follow up.
Bureau Report, GOA365.